starting to rain a little bit. So what's the plan? Shower is done, brush is done. Forgot to get the bread for the breakfast. And also my peanut butter.
Where do you want to eat? Thank you, God, for today. Thank you for letting us see another wonderful day, spending time in peace, in serenity,
In nature.
in nature.
And how and Easter bunnies.
And Easter bunnies.
And Easter bunnies.
How was your sleep last night?
It was good. I felt cold
Yeah, it
a
was
little
cold.
bit because our blankets are also very small. We don't have the good
The
blankets.
cozy blankets.
We have our sleeping bags, but I don't want to use the sleeping bags because there's a mattress, comfy mattress.
And why you take my bed down?
Because Daddy won't fit up there.
Because you were sleeping in Daddy's bed. You wanna sleep up there? Oh, okay. Then we can try to switch. So the moment of truth, for which I was not looking forward to, after a lovely breakfast and amazing tea, I need to go in this outhouse with this water bottle, and all I have is this tissue paper. And Joanne is still skeptical, like she's still not very comfortable using this outhouse, but I'm gonna go and try first. So wish me luck.
A few moments later.
Oh, that was an experience, but I felt good and relieved. Let's move on with like other things. Thanks for doing the dishes, babe.
You want to take over?
I can if you want. Are you ready to use the outhouse?
I'm not sure, babe. I've been holding since the moment I woke up.
It's easier than how it looks.
I just want to go and spend 1 minute there and that's it.
So Joanne is finally giving it in. Go for it! All the best! Starting to rain a little bit, but I think we're just gonna stay inside and maybe take a nap, chill. Some ghar ki dal and chicken.
It's a chicken marinated in yogurt.
Chicken marinated in yogurt. Good enough. Good enough. I think that will work for tonight. Thank you, Joanne. And baby's chilling over there. I was trying to get some work done. And the good news, the rain has stopped. So we can try some bonfire tonight. What do you think, babe? Yeah?
babe.
Okay guys, I think let's start the bonfire.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm I'll still believe.
Okay. Tag! It's just starting to rain again. So we just wind up our bonfire and then just gonna head back in. Just gonna relax and see where the night takes us.
Mommy, I want to put my
Do you want more?
No, that's it.
That's it. I'm glad like we came here. We were even contemplating that if we should come to US or not. There were like a few moments we were actually thinking of going ahead and cancelling the whole trip. Because every day, kuch na kuch news mein aa raha tha. Like there was something always up in the news that it's not safe to travel to US. Detentions, there were cases like where people got detained. If you are not like politically correct everywhere, or if you have anything on your social feed, social media, you can be detained or you can be like sent back.
But we also hope for the better because
Yeah.
we're traveling as a family, right? So I was hoping they're gonna be more considerate and lenient with families.
Yeah.
And I was right.
It turned out to be a wonderful weekend for the family.
We needed it.
Yeah, wonderful getaway from everything. Wonderful host, wonderful outhouse, which you loved.
Ugh,
The top three things which you liked, and the top 3 things which you saw as a challenge.
The cabin, of course, I like it. It's cozy, even if it's still cold, but it's
Yeah.
still comfortable.
So,
Second is the peace and quiet
away
Like,
from
away from
all
like,
the traffic, all the honking, sirens. The third would be people we met, like you know, from like crossing border to here. Our host is also very friendly.
the long drive is also fun.
The long drive.
We love long drives because he's driving, so that's why we love it. We're not the ones tired here.
And
It's just
then,
him.
yeah, the challenges were nerves, first and foremost, when we were crossing the border. Second, I would say, just living off grid, like, you know, not using like much of electronics apart from the camera on which we are shooting. However, Alexis is using electronics right now. because sometimes you have to give in to the kids. It's okay. You're not perfect. And then the third challenge would be
My third challenge would be the outhouse.
outhouse. Like when you live in city, you get like so used to of like you'll have like your flush facilities, you have like water for shower, you have like ample amount of drinking water. So you get used to it. We don't like value it that much. Like when you go off grid, then you have to like ration everything. Like you cannot just like go ballistic and like use all the water in one day.
Okay, so what's next now?
Let's tidy up. Let's tidy up and I'll see you guys in a bit.
There's your name. I cannot see your name.
This is Mom, Daddy, Mommy, and Alexis. I wrote, what a wonderful weekend.
Put a
Thank you
heart.
for opening your cabin to us and making it a memorable getaway to relax and reconnect with nature.
Wow.
From Toronto, Canada. Okay, high five. Okay, and Alexis is making hearts. Okay.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, thank you for the place.
Thank you for hosting us.
Bye bye, Rockland. Bye bye.
You love this place?
Har Mahadev, Har Mahadev.
Mama.
Yes.
Eat. Mama, 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 mama.
She's happy. Yes, yes,
Can I help you, please? Dad, can I help you, please?
yes.
This place looks even more beautiful in the night. Stop recording.